Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are taking up challenge of living upstairs for 24 hours. So right now it's 8 am. We are going to continue this challenge up to 24 hours. So it will going to end in tomorrow's 8 am. So let's start this video. So we have all this area. We also have shed here. So we are going to live here for 24 hours and the view from here is amazing. So we choose this area because of this lovely view. So today we are taking up challenge of living upstairs for 24 hours. So right now it's 8 am and now we have only 5 minutes to pick all our things that we needed. So let's start the challenge. Bye. So let's start the challenge.
Your time start now.
Run.
So 5 minutes are up and we got all the things we needed and then we started organizing everything.
So here we have our first bed, second,
And here we also have fan and all the other stuff. And here we go. This is our kitchen. We have some onions, all the things we needed, coffee, milk, Maggi, bread. And after organizing everything, we all started preparing our breakfast. So we decided to make coffee and sandwich. So let's make it. Sandwiches and coffee turns out really good. We really enjoyed our breakfast. So we are done with the breakfast. How's it? It's really nice and right now we are going to chill and take some rest. So we have two chances to go outside from this place. So anybody wants to take a break?
no,
So in the end we have one winner. So let's see. And after that we are just playing cards. And later on mummy also joined us with some lunch. I just slept for 1 hour and these girls are doing painting and look at this. So we just took a nap and it's very hot right now, but we are enjoying. So guys, anybody wants to take one break?
No!
Lala अपना एक chance है?
No!
After that, we are just enjoying our lunch.
मैं वन चांस लूंगी।
One chance?
जाओ लेके आओ। वन चांस इनको पता नहीं पानी नहीं आता। टोलू भी जाएगा पानी ठंडा होने लगा। So she is taking her one chance. Bye पानी ले आई। ये पानी ले आई थी ना अगली बार कहाँ? ओके स्टार्ट ले आई खोल। हाँ नो भी ले आई खोल तो सारे पानी की बोतल आ रही है ये देखो।
So she's also taking her first chance. Bye bye girl.
पर ਨੂੰ ਆ ਜਾ ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹੁਣ ਨਹੀਂ ਆ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਦੋ ਚਾਂਸ ਮੰਨ ਲੈਣੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਆਦੀ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ 10 ਗਿਣ ਅਸੀਂ 30 ਗਿਣਨ ਲੱਗੇ ਆ ਜਾਓ 30 ਨਹੀਂ ਬਤਾਓ ਨਾ 1 ਬਾਜੂ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ
In the afternoon, it becomes very hot and we are using this machhardani or net to protect ourselves from sun, and it really works. I'm feeling very tired right now. I don't want to do anything. And after that we are just playing chits, and after that mummy gives us rice and we are just eating these.
ਹੁਣ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਦਾ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਸਾਡਾ ਘਰ ਵਧੀਆ ਚਲੋ ਖਾਈ
Right now it's 7 p.m. And it's the evening time. We are just playing corner. And after playing for an hour, we started preparing a Maggie for dinner. It's becoming very late. It's 8 p.m. right now. So we all are making Maggie. At this point, we all are freaking very scared. We don't have any light here, so we are just using torch light.
ਬੇਹੋਸ਼ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਉਹਨੇ। ਕੋਈ ਆਇਆ ਡਰਾਵਨਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਵੀ ਡਰਾਵਨਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਵੀ ਹੈਗਾ ਨਾ ਆ ਜਾਓ। ਪਾਪਾ ਪਾਪਾ ਥੱਲੇ
यहाँ तो सब दिल जानी है।
बुलाइए पापा को ना आज समझाने लगे इतना डर है।
So in the midnight there was cat, or we don't know what it is, and there are too many scary sounds, and we all got really scared, and we forget about the challenge, forget about the cameras, and quickly went downstairs and slept in our rooms. So that's it for the challenge video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you do so, then do like, share and subscribe.